Alright, your favorite place. Thank you for stopping back by and being my crazy friends. And because you're my crazy friends, I'm doing you another field trip. Because I know you want to know what's the hottest things going on in the laundry. And there's a lot. So please like and share the video. Because YouTube's looking for 1,000 views. So just simply share it in your Facebook newsfeed with a little note that says, please pass on. Please and thank you, and I love you bunches for doing so. Also allow the video to play all the way to the end. It is super important that you do so, because YouTube watches the watch time, and it helps us get out there to help other people. Also comment. Yes, let me know what you like about the channel, what you don't like about the channel. Well, I kind of know the endless prattle, but you know, you're here, you're my friends, and well, I'm talkative, what can I say? Alright guys, and I like to talk about Dollar General, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So do all those things for me, and it helps not just this video, but the entire channel, and not just for me, but all your creators that you go and visit. Super important, especially right now. Alright, let's talk about these deals right here. Boy, seems like this thing's gotten smaller and smaller, though it says it's 50% more. 14 pods, it says still. Maybe the bag just got smaller looking. Well, you've got a 4 for $12 with this right here. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Nobody has it tagged. I'm going to have to pull up the coupon and look. But it is for the $4 products and not the liquid. So it's the flings, the dryer sheets, the fabric softener, and fireworks. And some people have additional coupons, manufacturer coupons that go with that store coupon. If you do, awesome, because your out-of-pocket will be like $7 and change. Okay, others of us have some other coupons. We all have that 5 off of 20 per sale coupon that works on the per sale and all products and the Snuggle products, the Dial products too, and the Purex products. Now, most of those products have urns on them, and the last few times I tried to do this deal with urns, they didn't attach. So I'm just letting you know up front, they may not attach, but clip them because they just might, and if they do, the deal is going to be awesome. Okay, so go into it thinking that they're not going to attach, and if you do this deal on Saturday, then you'll get an extra 5 off. Okay, but you will have to go to you'll be going to 25 anyway, so yeah, I would go to 26 to make it as your deal. So what are we going to get with that? Well, we're going to pick up the $9 per sale, because if it works, you've got a $2 earn with that. We already know the Snuggle crystals will not work. Okay, so if you get the crystals, know that they will not work with the $2 earn. But the dryer sheets, I'm not sure. I don't think they will, but I'm not sure. But we do have that one coupon for save $125 on a Snuggle product, so you can use that. Then you're going to pick up one of the smaller bottles of Persil. Okay, so right now you're at $15 between the two, and then you can pick up 2 of your Snuggle products, so or Purex products. Let's see, let's travel down this way. So you will be at $16. All you really need is one of these. You'll have $1.25 off because you have the coupon, and then you could pick up a $2.15, and there is a 50-cent earn. Now, don't know if it will pay off or not. Like I said, this is a gamble deal, but we know for sure your 5 off 25 will work, right? And we know for sure your 5 off of 20 will work. So if you want to do this any day of the week, you spend $20, $5 is going to come off. You'll be spending $15, and with any luck, you'll be getting back you'll be spending $14 and change because you've got a dollar coupon there. And with any luck, you'll be getting back $3.50 in earns. So it'll be right at $12, and that's a winner deal because you're getting the big bottle of Persil and the smaller bottle of Persil. Okay? Like I said, worth the try. The big bottle of OxyClean has an earn for $5 off. You can do this on Saturday. Okay? And the big bottle is $14. Okay, now this is a run deal right here, guys. Because we've got a $2 off on this right here. This is $3.50. We've got a $2 off on this, makes that $1.50. Okay, now we also have, where are they? I do not see them over here. They're probably on the end cap. So let me go look on the end cap. We have a $3 off the double Febreze. Yep, we sure do, right here on the end cap. $3 off on this. So you can get this one and the other one. 2 packages for $3.25. So that's like $1 and change a piece. That's a winner, chicken dinner deal. It's a run deal because, well, it's kind of limited, especially when it comes to your scent choices. Alright, guys. Blessings. I'll see you again real soon because, look, there's so many more deals. And, oh, just a quick highlight. I almost forgot since we're over this way. These are 3 for $10. You got a coupon for 3 for $10 on these right here. And you got another coupon for $2 off of one of the $4 ones. Okay? 3 for $10. And then 2. So you can get 4 of them for $12.25. And if you use it in a 5 off 25 scenario on Saturday, well, you can clean house. Literally. Alright. Blessings. I'll see you again real soon.